Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix Roblox error code 111. So the first step, what you need to do here, you need to go to Roblox status.roblox.com and you need to look if the servers are fully operational. And if the servers are fine, there is no, as you can see here, failures here. The next step, what you need to do here, you need to go to speed test and check your internet speed. So if you have good internet speed, you're good to go. But if you don't, maybe limit some devices, restart your router, or do other stuff to get better internet, right? So, and if your internet is good, then another step that you can do here is to basically flush your DNS files. And to do so, you just need to on search write cmd or command prompt and then run as an administrator, press yes. And here you just need to write IP config /flush DNS, right? And after that, another thing that you can do here, you need to go to internet basically icon here, on internet icon on the system tray, and then go to network and internet settings, advanced network settings, and then more adapter option. Then go to properties here, then make sure to internet protocol version 6 is disabled, and double click on internet protocol version 4, and press this use following DNS server addresses. And on preferred DNS server, you just need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternative DNS server, you just need to write 8.8.4.4. Press apply, OK, restart the computer, and you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you need to press Windows and I key, or simply on search, you need to write run. And here you need to just write percentage sign temp, percentage sign. And then you need to find a Roblox folder here and delete Roblox folder. Don't worry about that, it's just cache files, it will not affect your game. It only deletes cookies, right? And if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here, for example, if you're playing on browser, you need to go to your Roblox game and then right click on the blank space, go to inspect application, and then you need to clear site data here. And if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here is to reinstall Roblox. So simply you need to go to installed apps here, installed apps, find Roblox, and just uninstall it. And if you want to install again, go to the browser, go to the log into your account, and just simply click one of the games here, and you will get the pop-up that you can install the game. And if the problem persists after you reinstall the game, then simply try Microsoft Store Roblox. So if you're running basically, if you have Windows operating system, you can go to Microsoft Store, just look for Roblox here and install Roblox through Microsoft Store, and the problem should be fixed, right? So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.